All right, this might be the first leg of a documentary of sorts. January 9th is when I'm shooting this. I received this 2 days ago, the Quasar Great Time Machine VCR. And it's been really, really cold around here lately. So when I got this, this was just freezing coming out of the box. So I've given it 2 days to just mellow out and do its thing. And since I'm kind of stuck working on the floor here, I put a couple of pieces of wood underneath so there can still be a little ventilation under there, 3/4 of an inch worth at least. So anyway, I have not powered this on. I have not done a thing. The seller did give me one tape, and me trying to do this with one hand could be interesting. I wasn't expecting the tape to be so chunky, but yeah, there you go. So we'll insert that away. All right, I do have this plugged in and hooked up to the TV, a modern TV. So we have power. Now this had popped off in transit. So let's see if I did a good job reaffixing it. Yeah, I think so. So if memory serves, and we have to grab this sucker. All right, this may be towards the end of the tape. I'm not quite sure how they arrange this. All right, so wish me luck. We got footage.
And those ambush cars is either dead or
And we got one of the Walking Tall movies. Sweet. Let's see if the tracking does. Okay. Fix the tracking there. The light is my studio light. Hey, how about that? All right, well, now the hunt is on for more tapes, and I do have the timer for this, and so this could be a very long road given how rare a lot of this stuff is.